Barn Point Ranger A-Pillar Pod Lights Bracket Installation Guide. First, open the hood. Pry off the rubber strip here and unscrew the bolts. Remove the bolts here. Secure the side pod lights using bolt washers, spring washers, and nuts. Fix the upper pod lights with bolts. Loosen the bolts here to adjust the horizontal position of the pod lights. Tear off the protective film of the 3M adhesive. A drainage hole needs to be cut here. Route the wires according to this method. Align the front and rear holes of the bracket. After confirming the bracket is level, install and tighten the bolts. Reinstall the rubber strip. The installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing Barn Point.